This is Blue Voice enabled with default settings. Let's first disable it and see how it is without. This is how it sounds when it's disabled. Let's enable it back and see how it is with these settings. So if I go to 400 Hz, this is how it sounds. Let's reset it back to 75. Noise reduction minus 18. If I go to minus 60, it's like this, minus 60, 0. Expander gate, let's go to minus 72. This is how it sounds. Sometimes it takes time to reset. Yeah, strange. Okay, de-esser is at 4 by default. Let's go to 1. This is at 20. Compressor is minus 6 by default. If you go to minus 48, it sounds like this, and at maximum at 0. And the last one is limiter at 20 decibels and at minus 20. You will have to test this and see how it is best for you. There is also voice equalizer here. This is with the equalizer disabled. It's enabled now. There are also a lot of settings on equalizer here. Low frequency 680 Hz with narrow or wide. Mid frequency we have at 5000 or 400, and width at 10, narrow or 0.5, and for high we have up to 12,000 Hertz, and width from narrow to wide, this is 10, narrow and wide 0.5. Yeah, I don't know, something is strange with the reset. I will see also in Windows how it looks. For now we are in macOS, and of course I can go through these settings on Windows too. I will keep them default for now. I will try different settings and see how it goes. Enable, disabled, enable, disabled. Enabled again. Here we have the headphones, simple system volume, higher, lower, and so on. This is something normal, but this works only with the dongle Pro X DAC. If I've removed it and the recording stopped, obviously. So you have seen, if you remove it, you won't have anything. So this works only with the dongle. We are in Windows, and there is a difference on headphones. On macOS you have only system volume, the rest is not. On Windows we have also this advanced EQ and surround sound, which I do not remember if it's enabled by default, but it doesn't matter. You can enable it and disable it and see how it is for you. There is also test surround sound.
This is the left channel. Next, we have the center channel. Over here is the right channel,
which you can go ahead and listen it to the end. I will not right now. And you can change the volume on each side and so on. There are a lot of things which you can do regarding surround sound. On microphone, I think it's exactly the same like on macOS side. There is a difference between Blue Voice enabled and Blue Voice disabled. With Blue Voice enabled, you can modify some settings which can help out in setting up the best sound for your voice. Yeah, and you can play with the settings and reset them to the default values all the time, so do not be afraid to work with them and see how they sound. Noise reduction is quite effective. Unfortunately, okay, when I play I do not mind, but now I do mind the fans of the MacBook. I really do not understand why they are running on high RPM at this moment, because I'm doing nothing on this Windows. But well, it's Windows. On macOS I do not hear the fans unless I'm really doing something. So noise reduction can be something that you will use. And if you disable it, I don't know, let me know if you hear the fans. There is also expander gate, exactly like in macOS. There is no difference on this aspect. We have de-esser, compressor, and limiter. And so make sure you check them all out and see how is better for you. There is also this voice equalizer. If I enable it, let's tweak them a little to see if there is a difference. This is with all three at -15. This is with all three at +15. I do not have NVIDIA broadcast. Okay, use this part microphone test if you want to hear your voice and modify the settings on the fly, and this way you can hear it. Once you're done with the settings, you can go ahead and create a profile. There are different profiles that you can use if you want, and you can download. You can also put yours available. So yeah.
This is the left channel. Next, we have the center channel. Over here is the right channel. This is the right surround channel. Now, the right rear surround channel. Next, the left rear surround channel. This is the left surround channel. The next sound you'll hear is the LFE channel.
Okay.